Hi guys, my name is Hashana Cole and welcome back to my channel. So this has been my look for the past 3 weeks, and as you saw in my text message earlier, my friend told me to get cute. So I was already deep conditioning my hair, which is perfect. So I will show you guys how I get cute for a FaceTime meeting with your friend or boyfriend. If you're interested in how I go from this to this, then keep on watching. I will do a high bun, curls in the front and curls in the back. So first off, we'll just take out all the twists. I will part it. I need to get rid of this part because that's not what we're going for. I will take my bangs from here till here. Okay, so comb out this. I'll be using this half and half mist hydrating milk from Jackie's Flaxseed collection. I'll just spray it on. Then I'll be taking this daily moisturizing cream by Design Essentials. It's avocado and almond. Oh my god, I took a little bit too much. And I'll be using my Sunny Isle Castor Oil Extra Dark just to weigh my hair down a little bit. I will be using this gel to do my twists. It's almost finished, so I need to be very not generous, but not generous. This amount of gel, and then just twist it. So I twisted the front, and now I am going to fix this side of the hair. Again, we'll just spray. We'll just repeat the steps, to be honest. Okay, so this is what the puff looks like right now, and we will also put some twist in it just like in the front and let them dry. Comb them out. Use some more of this daily moisturizer. Take some gel and just twist it. And you'll repeat these steps for the whole bun, and we'll just let it dry like this. Meanwhile, I will do my face and put on my outfit, get my drinks, and get ready for the FaceTime. I will start off with my eyebrows first. We'll just draw a line and follow my natural brow. We'll just elongate them a little bit more because I have short brows. Get them a little bit longer, and then I will fill them in. Eyebrows are done, and right now I will go in with Born This Way concealer, and I will conceal underneath the eyes, on the forehead, nose, and the little spots. And let's blend it out. Blend, 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 blend. You guys, I'm getting used to the quarantine. Really, I'm getting used to the self-isolation. I think I've been putting on makeup a couple of 3, 4, maybe this whole week just to go to the store. Like, come on. Like, I find every other reason why to put on makeup, which is ridiculous because in real life I don't even wear real life, you know, my day-to-day normal life. I don't really wear that much makeup like daily, or just a little bit concealer and some mascara. Okay, going on to contour. I'm using the Fenty Matchsticks. We'll take this brush and I will contour on top of the cheekbone. No, it's high, but I like it like this. We will also contour the nose. And now we will set the face with the Fenty loose powder. And I will bronze with the Hara bronzer in the color Cocoa Naughty. Bronze it up. Brush away the excess powder. And now the hard part. Eyelining. I will try to do it on camera. I will try my best. Since I have hooded eyes, it's already difficult for me, so let alone on camera. So the trick with hooded eyes is to look straight in front of you, draw a line. Okay, draw another line. I draw this one a little bit too sharp. Draw it more like this. Then you will close your eye and connect it. And connect it. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. This is hard. I will clean up this in a second. Okay. So I did the rest off camera because it was kind of not easy. So as you can see, I effed up here. So I will clean it up. So take a Q-tip and just clean it. Now you'll take more concealer and just sharpen all the rest. Just to warm up the face a little bit more. You know, I love a bronzy look. You guys remember the times of the highlight? Damn. That was a trend. No, that was a hype. As you can see, it's kind of pretty though. And this is the makeup look for my FaceTime meeting. And we'll go over to the hair right now. At this moment, I will take them out. They're still a little bit damp, so I will use my blow dry to stretch them a little bit and dry them a little bit more because they're not entirely dry. And yeah, I'll use my blow dryer on medium heats. Okay, so I guess that they're almost dry, and then we can unravel them. So this is what the puff looks like when you take out all the twists. It's still a little bit wet, so you have to give it time. So you guys, this is a finished look. Let's FaceTime my girl. If you guys like this video, make sure to leave a comment, thumbs up, subscribe if you want to, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.